Federico Fagin was born in Vicenza, Italy on December 1, 1941, at the age of 19. After completing his high school studies at the Alessandro Rossi Technical Institute in this city, he began to work in the R&D laboratory of the Olivetti Company in Borgo Lombardo, Milan. During this stay, the young Fagin participated in the testing, together with four of an experimental electronic computer capable for handling 4K words for memory. After staying at the Olivetti for just 1 year, Fagin decided that they wanted to continue studying and furthering his studies to integrate the pathway to study physical sciences. Federico Fagin graduated in physical science with a some cum laude record and stayed at the university as assistant professor. 1965, where he was in charge of practical laboratory classes for higher course, and were in addition he would work on his doctoral thesis, which was present in 1966. His career will face a turning point that will make him of the fundamental pillars of the electronics we know. In 1967, he left the world of the university to go to the private sector, specifically to the subsidiary that Fairchild Semiconductor maintained in the town of Great Brianza. He is my hero because he was responsible for the team to develop the first manufacturing process for MOS metal oxide semiconductor transistor, and 34 responsible for developing the first series of integrated circuits in this technology, faced with this significant milestone. Fairchild offered Fagin the opportunity to move to its headquarters in Palo Alto, California, to be part of the company research team. In 1968, Federico Fagin started his career in the United States. He would eventually obtain nationality, and at Fairchild Semiconductor headquarters he was in the charge since the MOS technology with a self-aligned silicon gate, and leading the team that participated in the project. In addition, it was in charge of the production of the first integrated circuit to use this technology, the Fairchild 3708. Thanks to this technology, it was possible to increase the scale of integration and enable the deployment of LSI and VLSI integrated circuits, lower manufacturing cost, and increasing the reliability of the manufactured circuits. Federico Fagin left the Fairchild Semiconductor in 1970, when he was called upon by two of the company founders who had left it in 1968 to found another. Who were these two businessmen? Robert Noyce and Gordon Moore, the founders of Intel. The company had managed a project since 1969 that promises to change the roles of the game. A microprocessor, an integrated circuit that combines all the functionalities of the CPU within the same pace that designed by Martian Teeth. Intel turned to Fagin to lead the project of what would be the first processor in history. The Intel 4004 and will also be in charge of directing the development of the free peripherals and accompanying it the 4001 ROM, 4002 and 4003 a shift register. In 1974, Fahim Wall turned his life around by leaving Intel and embarking on his own entrepreneurial adventure by founding Zilog Inc., where he would become, in addition to the founder with Ralph Ungerman, the CEO and the president. His first project was the C80, a processor compatible with the Intel 8080. It used to the same instruction. They offered better performance than his old company's device. The C80 was a success that was launched in July 1976 and would be assembled on such well-known devices as the Sinclair CX Spectrum, and is still in production today. Fahim will leave Zilog in 1980 and in 1982 he refounded another company, Signet Technologies, in which the communication co-system will be developed, a computer perimeter that unifies user communication, voice, data, and so on. In 1986, Federico Fahim founded the Synaptics Company, where he would hold the position of CEO until 1999, and which he positioned as one of the best known companies in the manufacture of mice and touchpad Synaptics, in addition to device for managing computers, has also developed system based of neural networks, and in 1991 the first integrated optical circuit capable of recognizing patterns from 2003 to 2008. Fahim served as president and CEO of Foveon, a company dedicated to the development of advanced image sensor CMOS technology. This is why Federico Fahim is my hero.